Today in this video I will show you how to increase the range of your ESP-CAM. If the transmitter and the receiver has a significant range between them, the video quality might be lost, and they are probably with kind of delay. To avoid that, we have to use an external antenna with this. So this is the external antenna that I will use for this module. So this is the programmer. So actually I already talked about this in the previous video, so let's keep away this. You might think just we have to connect that external antenna cable to the pin, but actually just that is not the way. So I think you will be able to see there is kind of resistor configuration here. So we have to change the resistor configuration to the zero resistance part. So and I will show you. I will add an kind of image. You will be able to prefer that and connect it as a external antenna. So and using that you will be able to increase the range of your ESP-CAM. After you have changed the position of the resistance correctly, so you have to just connect that antenna to like this, and so there is a thread here, so you have to just screw this like this, and now you can use this setup for your projects